Galway is a great place to work. It's an exciting city. I've been in Galway for the last 14 years and I'm working here as a consultant radiologist. I've worked many places all over the world and I really find that Galway has a lot to offer with music, arts and the sea on our doorstep. The university is just next door. We're very much linked with the university. This makes the hospital a very academic place and we are very involved in career, research development and staff development. The hospital itself is an integral part of the city and it's at the heart of the city. And the Radiology Department is essential because what we do is we diagnose, we manage and we look after the sickest and most complex of patients. The hospital is a tertiary hospital, it's a level 4 hospital. It's a large, comprehensive hospital that accepts referrals from all over the west of Ireland, all the way as far north as Donegal. The reason we get all of these referrals is we have huge specialities and very highly trained staff. And we've specialities in breast imaging, in oncology, and in emergency imaging and interventional. And this really makes Galway an attractive place to work and to live. We're linked with University College Dublin, and this really means that all of our experienced and skilled radiographers, they help train the others, they help bring them up, bring them forward, help them in their career progression. And this is really what we're looking for. We're looking for more skilled and excited staff to work with us. And we would be delighted to have you here. We have high standards and we want to keep those standards and maintain them and grow them. And we really would be delighted for you to work here. We know you would be happy. And it's a lovely place to work. It's small but vibrant and has a lot going for it. And we'd be delighted if you came to work with us.